Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your name on Gmail using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. After you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a small menu with several options. Now, in that menu, you'll want to click on Manage Your Google Account. It's an essential step because this action will take you to a new tab where you can customize your account settings. In this new tab, look for the section labeled Personal Information. Clicking on this will give you access to various details about your account. Next, find the option that says Name. Clicking on this will allow you to change your display name. It's straightforward, simply erase your old name and type in the new one that you want to use. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click the Save button to ensure your new name is updated across all Google services. And that's it. You're all done. Your Gmail name has been successfully changed. Remember, it might take a little time for the new name to reflect in all your interactions, so be patient. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.